Today is the day that we have crabs in our area. And I ain't had none in a minute. And I've been saying I'm going to get me some, and they been getting them. And then when I wanted them last time, they didn't have none. They didn't get them in. So I'm going to get me some crabs today. I got a taste for me some crabs, and I'm finna go get me some crabs. So that's what we on the way to do. I'm going to pick me up some crabs, and then we're going to head on back and get back in the kitchen and cook dinner for the day. So yeah, dinner gonna be good though. It's gonna be quick and easy. But I just had to taste for me some blue crabs. How many of y'all like blue crabs? Have you ever had blue crabs? You heard of blue crabs? Blue crabs is so good. They better than snow crabs. But y'all, let's get on over here to the market. Y'all tell me why it had to be pouring down raining today though. I already knew it was gonna rain today, but it's getting down out this though. Like I knew, because not by looking at the weather, but I knew by just looking outside, the clouds look kind of dark today. I'm like, dang, it look like it's gonna rain. The next thing you know, it's kind of like, you know, poured down rain out of nowhere, and then it stopped. But then now I'm out here trying to go get my crabs, and they done got started again. But I'm still going to get my crabs, just to show you gotta know it. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
All right, and yourself? Hey y'all, I made it here to get some blue crabs. And they got them too. Down in here. Oh, there's some little ones, but that's alright though. Let's get us some crabs. You want them fighting at you. That's the good ones when they fight.
Oh, they're live, huh?
Mm-hmm.
No, he's not there.
Let's see what's on this. Oh yeah, there's the one right there. That's a good one there. Trying to take somebody with you. Look at him. Look at him. He hold on, boy. He like, I'm bringing them with me. Look. Look. He say, I'm bringing some more with me. He say, you better come on. He say, you better stay down, Uncle. You going by yourself. Okay, I'll take all y'all. Look at him. Come on, we going together. Honey, they already know what time it is. Alrighty, y'all, I got those, but look how it's just getting down. I just was told by the guy in the market that we was up under a tornado. I said, what? He told me, yeah, but you know that don't mean that sometimes. Yeah, it means I better hurry up and get my behind home. I better get my tail home. But me and the crabs, we is safe, and I'm gonna try to get us home safely. I'll see y'all when I get back though. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana'S gonna be me, and today I'm coming at y'all with a seafood boil. I'm gonna show y'all how to make y'all a little nice little small little, well, it ain't gonna be small, but the amount of stuff, the other stuff that I'm gonna be adding to it is gonna be small. Because I'm gonna be adding some potatoes and some eggs. Normally I add potatoes, eggs, sausage. You can add corn to it, but I don't eat corn. I ain't gonna say I don't eat corn. I can't have corn. So, but normally I add potatoes, eggs, sausage, the crabs, shrimp, and I might have some mussels or something like that. But I'm already cooking dinner or whatever, and I want some of the sides that I have made. I made some lima beans and some yellow rice. So I just want really just the blue crabs and the sides over here. I'm just adding the potatoes just for y'all and for tomorrow whenever I have some of these crabs left over, because I know I ain't gonna eat all of them. And I went and bought me, I don't know how many blue crabs. So I'm not gonna be in this video, but y'all gonna hear me, and please excuse the noise. That's the fan over the stove. It's automatic and I can't cut it off whenever it cut on. So y'all just bear with me. So anyway, what you're gonna need, first off, you're gonna get your pot of water, right? And you could do the same thing for blue crabs or snow crabs or whatever kind of crabs that you like. You got to hook up the water first, the broth for the crabs that they're gonna be boiling in. That way they have a nice flavor all the way through them crabs. You can't just boil them in no salt. Some salt. You want some good flavor. So I got me some chicken bouillon right here that I'm gonna add to the water just for that good chicken broth flavor. And then I have me some Tiana'S crab boil. This is my favorite crab boil to use for my crabs. So you gotta season to your own taste. Now taste your broth as you season it. Okay. So I'm going to add me some of this and be careful with the Tiana'S because it is salty. Anytime you're using a crab boil, 9 times out of 10, that seasoning is very, very salty. All right. So I'm adding some of that to my broth, my water, and we're gonna get this here mixed up, and I'm gonna give it a taste once I feel like it all has come together and incorporated, dissolved, and all that good stuff right there. I'm gonna taste this here and see where it's at. Now, when you're making a crab boil, you can't just go in and just start throwing your crabs on in there if you got potatoes and sausage and corn and all that stuff like that you're gonna be adding to it, because the crab's gonna be mushy before everything get done. So when you're making a crab boil, you have to layer in the steps that it takes for each item that you add into it to get halfway done before you add crabs. Especially if you're just gonna do one big old boil where you don't have everything in a pot together. You have to layer in steps. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm getting my broth right. And once I taste this broth and it's where I want it at, then we're going to go ahead on and throw our eggs up in there. And I'm going to add 1 potato, and that's it. That's all I'm going to need is just 1 potato and 2 boiled eggs. So I'm going to give this here a little taste. See, ooh, child, that thing a little spicy. And y'all see, I ain't even add that much, but I'm gonna add some more water to it, cause baby, I don't like it that spicy now. But I love that seasoning. Don't get me wrong, I love the seasoning. Okay, so we got to balance that back out a little bit. Take away some of that spice. And it's not a spicy boil, but they got that seasoning hooked up just right. You're going to get a good amount of salt and spice when you use that Tiana'S. A lot better. Alright, y'all, so I got my 2 eggs I'm going to add to this. Just drop them on down in there. And then I have my potato. I have washed my potato off. And I'm about to get this potato right down in here. And I'm just going to take my potato and drop it down in there just like that. You can cut it up if you want to, but there's no need. It make it scoopable if you got you like a butter sauce or something, if you drop it down like that. Alrighty, y'all, so it's time to add the crabs to it. I just checked my potatoes, and my potatoes is almost done. Like the fork can go through them, but they ain't done. And that's how you want them, like where the fork can pierce it. And then you go in and start adding the crabs. So I have my live blue crabs. If you've never seen a blue crab before, I'm about to show y'all what they look like. This is a blue crab, y'all. It's a blue crab. So I'm about to wash them off, and then we're going to get them in the pot. And it's alive. It's just asleep right now from the ice. So I got them in the pot, y'all. I'm just gonna let those there boil for a few minutes, for like, what, about 10 minutes, I guess? I don't know, I never really time them. I just know when they're done. They're gonna turn red though. Alrighty, y'all, so my crabs is done. I done turned them off. And what I'm doing is letting them just sit here in this broth that they done cooked in. But as you can see, they all done turned red. It's not going to take long because you don't want them to get mushy. But they sitting down in this broth here. And I'm just going to let them sit there so they can absorb all that flavor. Alright? And then I'm going to come back and plate it up for y'all so y'all can see what it's looking like. Alrighty, y'all, so it's time to dish up these blue crabs. I done let them sit for about a good 30 minutes because I done took me a shower and getting comfortable for these crabs here, y'all. Hopefully the potatoes ain't tore up in the bottom. I don't even know how many of these I got. If you don't eat them all, you can eat them the next day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Potato here. How you make a blue crab boil or crab boil, shrimp boil, however. You got to lay it. That's all you gotta do. It's not hard, it's real easy and simple. As long as you got that broth good, baby, you window. So, until the next one, this your girl Tiana'S gonna be me. Peace, love, many, many blessings to each and every one of y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this blue crab bowl I have put together for y'all. If you go and make you one and you like how I put mine together with the seasonings and all that good stuff, come back and let me know. If you do seafood boils, leave a comment down below and let me know what is it that you like in your blue crab boils. But baby, anything can go on the blue crab boil, from chicken to neck bones to turkey necks to all that. Everything. Just know that. But you got the layer. Alright, I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.